Sup guys, here we are in a new video. Earlier I've made a video showing you how to boost your computer's performance, but that time we used a MacBook Pro. So right now here in the studio with me I have a Windows 10 laptop and I'm going to show you how to boost your Windows computer performance. So for Windows users, I'm going to show you exactly the steps you need to follow. And after following all these steps, you are going to notice a boost in your computer's performance. Let's dive into it. So the first thing you need to do is go down here to search, then type disk cleanup. This is the one right here, then open it. Okay, once it's open, you're gonna select the operating system drive. Mostly it's this one, the first one, then click OK. Then it's calculating all this. Then what you need to do is to select, to check all these boxes, all of it. Okay, then clean up system files. This taking longer than expected. Okay, here we are. Next thing you want to do is to check all these boxes too. You need to check them all. Okay. I think we have one up here. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Okay, here we are, delete files. Okay, it's cleaning up. So when you do this, you'll notice an increase in your computer's performance, and this helps a lot, especially if you have never did this before. So as you can see, it says the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. It's not going to delete any important file or application on your computer, just the unnecessary files on your computer. But this might take a while. So it's done, and that's all for the first one. So if you do this, follow the steps, this is gonna boost your computer's performance. It's an amazing step I use time to time, so make sure you go do that. On to the next one. So the next step in boosting your computer's performance is going to search, then search for run. Open it, then you are going to type this. Type in %temp %. I've done this before. Then click OK. Once you have done that, you are going to highlight all these files. Highlight all these files. I think that's all of it. Then delete. You might get this notification, but just check in the box and skip. So that's all of it. Now go to your recycle bin and then try to empty all what's inside. Okay, delete. So that's it. On to the next step. So here we are. The last step in boosting your computer's performance is going down to search again and type in startup. Then open this. So immediately you turn on your computer, all these applications right here. So all these applications here that are toggled on tries to open, and that really slows the processing power of your computer. You don't even need this, so make sure to turn off most of them, because immediately you start up your computer, these applications tries to open, and it's going to slow the whole workflow or the whole processing speed. And that's the last feature. So you have seen all the steps, the 3 steps. Make sure you do that on your Windows computer. You're going to notice a very good boost in the performance and increase in the speed and all that. Make sure to do that. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more helpful tech videos like this. Until then, I'm gonna meet you guys on the next one. Peace.